Hi everyone, my name is Abel from Greatest Design Concept. Do you know that Quickcivil Series 10 is actually out? As you can see, this is basically how this generates our detailing for us. You can see the footing. You can see I can easily just zoom in and zoom out. This is the modeling slash design. I just want to give you an overview of how the Quickcivil Series 10 is like. As you can see here, this is modeling slash design tab. Once you click there, this gives you a drop down menu showing you view structural flow list and all that. You can carefully go through that yourself. You can see automatically generates building structure from selected shapes. I'm going to demonstrate something very quickly for us, very interesting that you will like. As you can see, this is land, triangles, cycle, ellipse. Now you can use any of these shapes to generate your design. Amazing, right? You can see here we have the edit. You come here, you can see group shape or group shape, select multiple selection and all of that. So let me try to create an entirely new project so that you can see what's going on here. Right. So if I try to create, this is a new page entirely. Now if I come to my shapes, all I need to do here is to click on, maybe if I want to use a rectangular shape, you can see if you click here it gives me properties of this particular rectangle or a square that I actually drew. I think that is a rectangle. Say okay, it's a square, 6 meters by 6 meters. Now you can see what we have here. It shares some little relationship with the previous versions anyway. Now here I can simply just come to my edit. If I come to edit and I click on select, I can click on this shape. If I click on this shape, I can copy to the right. I can click on this, copy to the bottom, however I want this to look like. This is just like the previous ones that you know. I can click here to cancel my selection. You can see this is what has been generated for me. Now let me show you something very interesting about this software. I can simply just highlight this. If I highlight this entire model, um, yes, if I highlight all of this, I can simply just come to my auto generate flows. If I come to auto generate flows, I can click on the automatic generate and design building structure from selected. Now what I have selected now, I can just click yes, and then you can see what I have here. Foundation layout. Let me zoom this and show you. Foundation layout, ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, roof, and these are the entire general detailing of this particular one. Amazing, right? This is one of the best softwares you can actually use. You can see the detailing is superb. It's one of the best detailing that you can ever achieve as far as structural design is concerned that I have laid my hands on, most especially as a Nigerian or somebody from Africa. This is the best you can use. Now let me show you something very interesting about this software again. If I come to modeling, I can come to uh, let's come to design settings. You can see these design settings can help you select or do some little editing. You can see grid size 4, so that means I'm going to have 4 spans. This one is also going to be in 4 span, and then the width is going to be 5 meters by 5 meters. I'm going to show you how to what this can do for us. So I will leave it based on the default settings, or let me change this to 3 meter to 3 span. Then this other one by the row will be 4. So you are going to see all of that as we proceed. The number of floors, this one now, the ground floor is not included in this number, so I will just type I can type 2. That would be my first floor. Now, if I want include the roof beam level, I can leave it checked. If I don't want it to include, I can. If I want it to be included, I'll leave it checked. If I don't want it, I will uncheck it. And then you can come here and do some of the basic editing here. Just put in all the necessary information as regards to the size of column, size of beam, size of your footing, and all of that. Just put in all those informations and you are good to go. By the time you are done with all of that, you can just come to your modeling and I will click on auto generate floors. This one can be used to achieve a very simple design quickly, easier and faster. Within 10-15 minutes, you are done with the entire design. So I can just click on automatically generate uh, building structure from grid. You remember that grid setting was what we just did now. And if I click on it and I'll click on yes, automatically everything is going to be generated for me. If you look at this now, you can see 1, 2, 3 span, 1, 2, 3, 4 span. Now this is the entire. So, but you can see it did not generate uh, the design because what I selected was automatically generate building structure from grid. Now, if I click on automatically generate building structure from grid, automatically generate and design. Okay, very important. So if I select the one with the design, it's going to give me the entire uh, design plus the calculation report, everything on one window. Okay, so as we proceed, I'll be taking you through and be showing you great things that you can do with your quick civil series. So make sure you stay safe. Make sure that you stay